In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board. By the end, you'll have a brand new board ready to organize your projects, tasks, or ideas. Trello is a visual, card-based tool, and the board is the foundation of everything you'll do, so getting this set up right will make the rest of your workflow smoother. Start by heading to Trello.com and signing into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Trello home. If not, enter your credentials and continue. It helps to sign in with the same account you use for your team, so your board ends up in the correct place. Next, go to the boards view. You can find boards from the sidebar or the top navigation depending on your layout. This area shows boards you've recently used, boards you've starred, and most importantly, the boards that belong to your workspaces. In the workspaces section, pick the workspace where you want the board to live. A workspace is Trello's way of grouping people and boards. Think of it like a team or department hub. If you're part of multiple workspaces, choose the one with the collaborators who need access. If you're working solo, your personal workspace is perfectly fine. Now click Create New Board. This opens the creation panel where you'll set the basics. You'll see a field to type your board title. Choose something specific and easy to recognize like Marketing Roadmap Q1 or Home Renovation Plan. Clear names make it easier to find boards later and help teammates understand the board's purpose at a glance. Don't worry if the name isn't perfect. You can rename the board anytime. Before you create it, select the visibility. Private means only people you explicitly add can see the board. Workspace makes the board visible to everyone in the selected workspace, which is great for team collaboration. Public makes the board visible to anyone on the internet, and it may be indexed by search engines. Use this only for information you're comfortable sharing broadly. If your organization has admin controls, some visibility options might be limited. Follow your team's guidelines. Once you've chosen a title and visibility, click Create. Trello will open your new board immediately, and you'll see a clean canvas ready for your lists and cards. That's it. You've successfully created a Trello board. From here, you're ready to plan, prioritize, and track your work with clarity. If you ever need to adjust the title or visibility, you can do that from the board settings later. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.